If you've ever felt like your schedule is all over the place and you need a better way to keep track of everyone's calendars and reminders, here's an easy tip. Alexa, add oil change to my calendar.
Got it, Andrew. What day and time?
Tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Okay, I've added that.
Now, anytime you need to check your schedule, you can just ask, Alexa, what's on my calendar?
Andrew, your next event is tomorrow at 1 p.m. There's oil change.
Now, you can also send reminders or add events for family members like, Alexa, remind Katie to pick up pizza at 5 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind Katie at 5 p.m.
Alexa makes it easy to stay on top of your schedule, and you don't even have to connect any third-party calendars. You can add, delete, or move calendar events or reminders with just your voice, and when you're out of the house, you can actually see your calendar through the Alexa app. But if you want to sync some of your other compatible calendars, you can go into the settings on your device to learn more. This is a great way to get some help and keep things in check, especially when you've got kids to look after.